tiddly, this my kitchen. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Mexican seafood salad as a starter. And it's as part of my seafood diet. What's my seafood diet? I see food, I eat it. The old ones are the best. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a sauce. I'm going to start with 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, a tablespoon of Mexican hot sauce, and a big pinch of cumin. Then mix well. Now in this bowl I've got 200 grams of a mixed seafood selection which is ready cooked. It comes frozen, but it's got prawns, mussels and squid rings in it. In the notes to this recipe I'll tell you what you should do if you're starting off with raw seafood. Now I'll add in half a small onion which I've chopped, a tablespoon of lime juice and a couple of tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander. Now add in about 3/4 of the sauce you've made, just keep a little bit back, and mix the lot. Add a bit of seasoning, one final mix, and now we're pretty much ready to serve. Split the mixture between 2 bowls and then put on a spoonful of sauce into each bowl. Garnish with some chopped avocado that's been tossed in lime juice. There's much more to Mexican cuisine than just tortillas in various forms. And don't get me started on old El Paso. Oh. Join me next time in Tilly's Busy Kitchen with me, Tilly Nihan. Until next time, Huda Hafiz. Huda